If you're on Medicare and looking for the best dental insurance for seniors in 2026, my top pick is Delta Dental, and in this video, I'll explain exactly why. Because honestly, there are many dental insurance companies out there, but Delta Dental consistently stands out for one simple reason. It has one of the largest dentist networks in the United States. That means there's a good chance your current dentist already accepts Delta Dental, which can save you time, money, and the hassle of switching providers. Another reason many seniors choose Delta Dentalis, the coverage options. Depending on the plan, you may receive benefits for routine cleanings, oral exams, X-rays, fillings, crowns, root canals, and even dentures, which are services many seniors need as they get older. Now, let's talk about preventive care, because this is where Delta Dental really shines. Many plans provide strong coverage for preventive services, which means regular checkups and cleanings can cost very little, or sometimes nothing at all, and that's important, because preventing dental problems is usually much cheaper than treating them later. Another advantage is flexibility. Delta Dental offers different plan levels, so people can choose coverage based on their budget and dental needs. Whether you need basic preventive care or more extensive dental work, there's usually a plan available. Now let's be realistic. No dental insurance is perfect. Some procedures may still involve out-of-pocket costs, and certain plans may have annual limits or waiting periods. That's why it's always important to review the details before enrolling. But overall, when you combine a large provider, networks, strong preventive coverage, multiple plan options, and a long-standing reputation, Delta Dental is often considered one of the best dental insurance choices for seniors on Medicare. So if you're comparing dental insurance plans in 2026, Delta Dental is definitely one of the first companies worth looking at. Because honestly, good dental coverage can help you save thousands of dollars over time, while keeping your smile healthy for years to come.